Hey everyone, this is Adrian here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson presenting to you the new biker of the week. Today I got the 2022 two-tone Road Glide Special. This is going to be Reef Blue and Vivid Black. The Special is going to come with your painted inner fairing, stretch saddlebags. This particular model does feature the Reflex defensive rider system, which is the RDRS traction control. Over here we do have the touchscreen full navigation system, phone calls, music, Bluetooth audio capability. On the two pocket side here, we do have a USB flash drive system, which you can hook up a USB full of music. You can also hook up your cell phone to charge it. Your touchscreen is true touchscreen. It is Gorilla Glass. It is anti-sun glare. So anywhere you're riding, cruising, if you want to get lost, just hit that GPS navigation button and find your way right back home. If you have any questions about this particular model or anything else we have at the shop, come see me, Adrian, here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson.